Station and talk about your forecast. Hi, everyone. Just being a little silly at 5 o'clock in the morning. Thank you for joining us. Here's what you can expect. Our skies are going to be slow to clear today, similar to yesterday, and the temperatures will continue to be below normal. If you're liking what we have, temperatures are going to drop even more for the middle of the week. Tomorrow, Thursday, are probably going to be the two coolest days out of our whole forecast. Now, we will have some areas of drizzle, and as we head into the weekend, the weather starts to slowly warm back up again and dry out. You may see the development of some Santa Ana winds. So here's a look at that future cast. This is a model that shows us when we get to the sunshine around 8 a.m. It's still going to be gloomy for the valleys, the Inland Empire. Here I am looking at the weather at 10 a.m. Clouds still lingering inland. As we get to about the middle of the day, that's when we start to see the sunshine inland. But notice around 1 p.m. we still have clouds that are still pretty stubborn at the coast. The cloud cover is going to come back early. Here we are looking at the weather at 8 p.m. The cloud starts to stretch further inland, and then overnight through tomorrow, we have clouds on top of clouds. So here's a look at the weather for the next 3 days, because today we'll gradually see the sunshine, but for the next 2 days, may be hard to see that sun. We're going to have the high of 77 today in Burbank, but notice how tomorrow it gets cooler, 75, and then on Thursday it gets even cooler with areas of drizzle throughout the morning. So there is going to be a pattern change. This ridge that's been developed over our area, well, it's going to be replaced by a dip in the jet stream, a trough, because of a system that's going to move into the Pacific Northwest. So it's going to be to the north of us on Thursday, but we're going to get the increasing cloud cover, areas of drizzle, and drop in temperatures Wednesday and Thursday. As we head into the weekend, we're going to be on the backside of the system. It's going to scour out the cloud cover and slowly warm, dry out our weather, and cause the winds to develop. So here's your 7-day forecast where you see all those changes. The base in Orange County, 73 today, then upper 60s Wednesday and Thursday, very cloudy skies. And then on Friday, the temperatures start to go up and we start to see those winds develop. Those winds could stay with us through the beginning of the weekend, and the temperatures will warm into the mid-70s. So still feeling like fall. The weather at the coast is going to stay in the 60s for the next several days. In fact, you may struggle to see the sunshine because of that very deep marine layer. Areas of drizzle possible today, tomorrow, all the way through Thursday, and then windier Friday into Saturday. The forecast for the valleys and Inland Empire, mid to upper 70s, and little by little it gets cooler Wednesday and Thursday. Then we have winds Friday and Saturday, and the weather this weekend could get back into the 80s on Sunday. The forecast for the deserts, you've got 80s, still a little on the warm side, but it's going to feel more comfortable in the coming days and fall-like for you. 70s, then eventually 60s, the low desert in the 90s, then 80s at the end of the week, and finally in the mountains. Today, sunshine, but then those skies replaced by cloud cover the next few days with areas of drizzle, possibly some light rain on Friday. That's your forecast. Now to traffic. What's going on, Robin? Oh, there's a